In this video, we are going to talk about sounds of A. If you ask me how many sounds of A are there, I will tell you there are 8 sounds of A. And it is very important to tell each and every sound to the children because only then they will be able to read properly. So, today I will talk about the first 2 sounds. First is the basic and the first sound that we introduce to a child of A. That is A. We explain it like you open your big mouth. Apple, cat, rat, sat. Another sound is A. That is A and I. So, rain, pain, sail, train. In all these words, we write A and I. So, you have to explain like this initially. A, A.